Hello everybody, Porch Light here. Look at the bee. Alright, I just wanted to show y'all two things real quick. And now that I'm looking, I need to water these plants, but I think it's about to rain. So the first thing I gotta tell y'all is that if y'all got plants growing inside and y'all take them outside, it's gonna speed up the growing process. And you may think, well, they seedlings, I don't know if they're gonna work out. It's okay, y'all. As long as it's past your frost and the nighttime is 50 or above, these seedlings gonna be okay. I haven't put it in the greenhouse. I haven't opened that greenhouse in days. But the great part about all this is that I'll put something out here for literally 2 days and it'll look completely different. Yeah, I do gotta water these. So, look at this, y'all. This is the first time I've had romaine lettuce look like romaine lettuce that comes from the store. Look at that. That is crazy, right? It's not even finished growing. This is goji berry, okay? I stuck this, you saw the video. I literally stuck this in this pot and it stayed alive. I did it in the wintertime and now it's growing like this. The plant that I bought isn't even as vigorous. That's still in the woods looking like it did when I bought it. But I've been able to propagate from it because it was too expensive. Anyway, so I've got my money back and I feel good about that. So, first thing is, yeah, your stuff will grow faster when you take it out after that first frost. I don't even harden stuff off anymore, y'all. I just bring it out here after a couple days in the lamp. I used to go ahead and put it out in the front of my, my porch, my deck rather, to kind of get acclimated. But I don't even do that anymore, y'all. Sometimes it's, hot out here than it is in the house. Oh, that needs some stuff there. Yeah, I gotta fertilize that. And the second thing is, y'all, that romaine lettuce is beautiful. Well, look, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm out. But one thing I can say is this has been a success. I literally have more plants out here right now than I bought the whole time last year. So planting in the house is definitely the way to go. It's still no transplant 2024, y'all. You're better off planting in the house, planting by seed, starting early. Porch Light out.